Climate change, one of humanity's most pressing challenges, compromising our food and water security, affecting our health, risking our economic and social well-being, and undermining the ecosystems on which we depend, threatening our very existence. The global community is mobilizing in the fight against climate change, yet it often undervalues one powerful ally, nature. Nature plays a critical role in absorb and store carbon. Oceans absorb over 25% of annual emissions of carbon dioxide, but overburdening them carries its own risks. Terrestrial ecosystems store almost 3 times the amount of carbon found in the atmosphere. Halting deforestation and restoring degraded land can cut carbon pollution equivalent to the yearly emissions of all the cars in the world. Natural ecosystems protect